Have you ever wondered what's the difference between installing Linux directly on your PC and running it inside? Let's clear that up. When you install Linux on a PC, it runs as the main operating system. That means full access to your CPU, RAM, and GPU, giving you the best possible performance and hardware compatibility. You can use all your storage, run games, and handle heavy workloads without limits. But installing Linux directly also means committing to it. If something breaks, you have to fix it. Dual boot setups take time and can be tricky for beginners. Now, Linux on VirtualBox is completely different. It's like running Linux inside your Windows or Mac OS system. Think of it as a sandbox, safe, reversible, and perfect for testing or learning. You can install, break, and delete it without touching your main OS. However, because VirtualBox shares resources with your host system, performance is limited. You can't fully use your GPU, and heavy apps or games may lag. It's great for coding, testing, or exploring, not for gaming or full-time use. So, which is better? If you want speed and real experience, install Linux on your PC. If you want safety and convenience, go with In short, Linux on PC equals power and performance. Linux on VirtualBox equals practice and protection.